Welcome to Stoic Wisdom. My dear, before we start the video, I have a small request. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. I really need your support. I hope you will definitely subscribe to the channel Stoic Wisdom and also hit the bell icon. Now, let's move on to today's video. Today, we're embarking on the 100 Days Challenge, a powerful journey that can significantly change your life in just over 3 months. Imagine looking back in 100 days and seeing the incredible transformation in yourself. The new habits you've adopted, the goals you've reached, and the challenges you've conquered. Whether your aim is to enhance your health, master a new skill, or simply evolve into a better version of yourself, this challenge is crafted to help you achieve that. So why 100 days? It's not a random figure. Research indicates that it typically takes about 66 days to establish a new habit. By extending this to 100 days, we're reinforcing those habits even further, integrating them into our daily lives. Our goal isn't just fleeting success. We're aiming for lasting transformation. The best part? Anyone can participate. All it requires is a clear objective, daily dedication, and the resolve to overcome obstacles. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire journey, from setting your goal to celebrating your achievements at the end of the 100 days. Expect practical advice, personal experiences, and motivational strategies to keep you motivated. You may wonder why we've chosen 100 days instead of 30, 60, or even a year. The answer lies in the psychology of habit formation. According to a study in the European Journal of Social Psychology, it generally takes an average of 66 days to form a habit, though this can differ based on the complexity of the habit and individual commitment. For instance, a simple habit like drinking a glass of water each morning might only take a few weeks to establish, while more complex habits like regular exercise or meditation could take months. Choosing 100 days provides ample time to solidify and embed these new habits into our lives. Additionally, 100 days is a manageable time frame. It's long enough to witness real change without feeling overwhelmed. It's a focused commitment, like a sprint within a marathon, offering a concentrated period for transformation. So, are you ready to take control of your life and create lasting change? Let's dive in and get started. How you'll hold yourself accountable. This planning sets the groundwork for long-term success. Think about it. 100 days is just over 3 months. During this period, you can make substantial strides toward any goal, whether it's improving your health, learning a new skill, saving money, or fostering a positive mindset. By the end of this challenge, not only will you have achieved your goal, but you'll also cultivate the discipline and confidence needed to tackle even greater challenges down the road. The first step in the 100 Days Challenge is to define your goal. This serves as the foundation for everything that follows, so it's vital to get it right. Your goal should ignite excitement, push you out of your comfort zone, and remain realistic and attainable within 100 days. It could involve enhancing your fitness, launching a new business, acquiring a skill, or forming a habit like daily reading or meditation. The essential part is that it resonates with you personally. Begin by asking yourself why you're taking on this challenge. What do you hope to achieve? What impact will this have on your life? The stronger your connection to your why, the more likely you'll stay committed. For instance, if your aim is to get fit, ask yourself whether it's to boost your confidence, increase your energy, or improve your health. Digging deep to uncover your core motivation is crucial. Next, ensure your goal is a SMART goal: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, specify it. I want to lose 10 pounds and run a 5K without stopping. Make it measurable by planning to track your weight and running distance weekly. Ensure it's achievable by committing to a workout and nutrition plan that suits your lifestyle. Make it relevant by linking it to your desire for more energy for your family and career. And, of course, it's time-bound, because you have 100 days to accomplish it. Take a few moments to visualize what success looks like. Close your eyes and imagine yourself at the end of the 100 days, having reached your goal. What does it feel like? What are you proud of? How has your life transformed? This visualization can serve as a powerful motivator during challenging times. Remember, you're not just pursuing a goal, you're creating a new version of yourself. Once your goal is set, break it down into daily actions. These should be small, manageable steps you can consistently take. The aim is to make your daily actions so simple that it feels nearly impossible not to do them. Many people falter here. They establish a large goal but neglect to break it down into actionable steps. When they don't see immediate progress, they often feel discouraged and quit. Micro-habits are tiny, almost effortless actions you can build upon over time. For example, if your goal is to meditate for 30 minutes each day, start with just 1 minute. It may seem trivial, but the toughest part of any habit is getting started. Once you're comfortable with 1 minute, gradually increase it to 2, then 5, and eventually 10. The key is to build momentum incrementally. Create a detailed plan for your daily actions. Write down exactly what you'll do each day, at what time, and how you'll keep yourself accountable. This structure is essential for ensuring you stay on track throughout the challenge and purpose. For instance, if your goal is to learn a new language, your plan could look like this. Days 1 to 10. Spend 15 minutes each morning on vocabulary practice. Days 11 to 20. Continue with 15 minutes of vocabulary, plus add 10 minutes of listening practice. Days 21 to 30. Increase to 20 minutes of vocabulary and 20 minutes of speaking practice. Breaking your goal down into manageable chunks ensures you know exactly what to do each day, eliminating guesswork and making it easier to stay consistent. Integrating your daily actions into your existing routine is also essential. For example, if you want to start exercising, consider doing it first thing in the morning, before work, or during your lunch break. By connecting your new habit to something you already do, you increase your chances of sticking with it. This technique is known as habit stacking and can help you build new habits with ease. Once you've outlined your daily actions, create a concrete plan by scheduling a specific time each day for these tasks. Whether that's first thing in the morning, during lunch, or right before bed. Treat it as a non-negotiable part of your day. Consistency is crucial. Show up every single day, even when motivation wanes. Remember, discipline often outweighs motivation. Establishing a routine is one of the most powerful tools for success. When your actions become automatic, you won't have to rely solely on willpower or motivation to get things done. For example, if you always meditate right after brushing your teeth in the morning, it becomes a habit that's hard to break. Over time, this routine fosters stability and predictability in your day, making it easier to stay on track. Consider sharing your goal with a friend or family member who can help hold you accountable. Better yet, find a partner willing to embark on their own 100 days challenge. Having someone to share progress with, celebrate victories, and discuss challenges can be incredibly motivating. It's much harder to skip a day when you know someone else is counting on you. Life can be unpredictable. There will be days when you feel tired, busy, or just not in the mood. Plan for these days in advance by keeping a list of shorter, less demanding actions you can do when you're struggling. For instance, if your daily action is to exercise for 30 minutes but you're exhausted, aim for 10 minutes of stretching instead. The key is to keep the habit alive, even if you have to scale back. One of the best ways to ensure you complete your daily action is to tackle it first thing in the morning. By addressing your most important task before distractions arise, you set a positive tone for the rest of the day. A solid morning routine might include exercise, meditation, journaling, or any activity that aligns with your goal, allowing you to start each day with a sense of accomplishment and purpose. And keep that motivation alive. Tracking your progress is crucial. It not only holds you accountable, but also provides a clear picture of how far you've come. This can be especially motivating on days when you feel like giving up. You can use a journal, a spreadsheet, or a habit tracking app. Whatever works best for you. When you see tangible evidence of your progress, it triggers dopamine release in your brain, creating a feel-good response. This positive feedback loop makes you more likely to stick with your habits. So, every time you complete your daily action, mark it off on your tracker. Over time, this visual representation of your progress becomes a powerful motivator. Decide how you'll track your progress. Will you use a physical journal, a digital app, or a simple calendar? The key is to choose a method that's easy for you to use consistently. Make it a habit to review your tracker at the end of each day and reflect on your progress. What went well? What could you improve? Use this reflection to adjust your actions and stay on track. Set mini milestones along the way and celebrate them. For instance, if your goal is to write a book in 100 days, set milestones for each chapter you complete. When you reach a milestone, reward yourself. This could be something small like a favorite treat, or something larger like a day off to relax and recharge. Celebrating your progress reinforces the habit and keeps your motivation high. No challenge is without obstacles. There will be days when motivation wanes, life gets busy, or setbacks occur. The key is to prepare for these challenges in advance to avoid derailing your progress. Take a moment to think about the obstacles you're likely to face. Are you concerned about finding time for your daily tasks? Do you worry about losing motivation? Do you tend to give up when results aren't immediate? Write down these potential obstacles and brainstorm strategies to overcome them. Remember, setbacks are a normal part of any journey. It's how you respond to them that truly matters. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. For example, if you miss a day of your daily action, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, reflect on why it happened and what you can do to prevent it in the future. Your mindset plays a significant role in your success. If you believe in your ability to succeed, you're more likely to invest the effort needed to achieve your goal. Practice positive self-talk and affirmations, and remind yourself why you embarked on this challenge. Keeping that motivation at the forefront of your mind will help you navigate the ups and downs along the way. There will be times when things don't go as planned. Staying focused on the big picture can help you navigate through temporary setbacks without losing momentum. Celebrating small wins is an incredibly effective way to stay motivated and reinforce your new habits. It's easy to become fixated on the ultimate goal and overlook the progress you're making along the way. But every time you complete your daily action, you move one step closer to achieving that goal. And that's worth celebrating. When you acknowledge your progress, you activate the reward center of your brain, releasing dopamine, which reinforces the habit. This makes you more likely to continue the behavior in the future. So find small ways to celebrate your daily successes, whether it's a positive affirmation, a quick dance break, or sharing your progress with a friend. Develop a reward system that aligns with your goals. For example, if your goal is fitness-related, treat yourself to a massage, a new workout outfit, or a healthy snack after hitting a milestone. If you're learning a new skill, consider rewarding yourself with a fun activity related to that skill, or taking a day off to relax. The key is to make your rewards meaningful and enjoyable, so they motivate you to keep pushing forward. Take a moment each day to reflect on your progress and express gratitude for the effort you're putting in. This practice helps reinforce the habit and makes the process more enjoyable. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you haven't achieved to what you have, fostering a positive mindset that fuels further success. After the first 30 days, take some time to evaluate your progress. Are you on track to reach your goal? What strategies are working well, and what could be improved? Use this reflection to adjust your plan as needed. Maybe you realize that your daily task is too ambitious or not challenging enough. It's perfectly fine to tweak your plan as you go. The focus should be on progress, not perfection. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for growth. It allows you to assess what's working, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. Set aside a few minutes each week to review your progress. What did you do well? What challenges did you face? How can you improve moving forward? Use these insights to refine your approach and stay on track. Life is unpredictable, and you will encounter obstacles along the way. By maintaining a flexible mindset and being open to adjustments, you can navigate the ups and downs while continuing to move closer to your goals. Things don't always go as planned, and if you find that your original goal or daily actions are no longer feasible, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Your goal may have evolved, or you might discover a more effective approach to achieving it. The 100 Days Challenge is flexible. allowing you to adapt it to fit your needs and circumstances. Seek feedback from others who are familiar with your goals. Their insights and perspectives can offer valuable guidance that you might overlook. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to refine your plan. Remember, the aim isn't perfection, it's about making progress and growing as a person. As you approach the final stretch of the 100 days, you'll likely notice significant changes, not just in your achievements, but in who you've become. You've developed resilience, discipline, and a stronger belief in your ability to follow through. It's no longer just about the goal you set. It's about the person you've transformed into while pursuing that goal. Take a moment to reflect on your journey. What have you learned about yourself? How have you grown? What challenges have you overcome? This reflection will help you appreciate the progress you've made and prepare you for future challenges. In the final days of the challenge, it's crucial to stay focused and committed. This is your opportunity to finish strong and prove to yourself what you're truly capable of. Push yourself to give it your all, even when fatigue or temptation to quit arises. Remember, you've come this far. Don't stop now. Once you reach the end of the 100 days, take time to celebrate your success. Reflect on what you've achieved and how it has impacted your life. Share your journey with others to inspire them to embark on their own 100 days challenge. You've demonstrated that you have the discipline, determination, and resilience to accomplish anything you set your mind to. Congratulations on completing the 100 days challenge. But remember, this is just the beginning. The habits you've built, the discipline you've developed, and the lessons you've learned will serve you well for the rest of your life. Use this experience as a foundation for even bigger goals and challenges. The power to change your life lies in your hands. One day, one action at a time. The journey may not always be easy, but it will be worth it. You have everything you need to succeed. Discipline, determination, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve. So take that first step today. Choose your goal, commit to the challenge, and let's make these 100 days count. If you're ready to start your own 100 days challenge, leave a comment below with your goal, and let's support each other on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone who could use a little motivation. Until next time, keep pushing forward, and let's make these 100 days count.